How Fusion CPA helps businesses solve common accounting problems with NetSuite. Are you tired with inefficiencies in your financial processes, struggling with disconnected systems, and navigating complexities across multiple business entities? At Fusion CPA, we understand these challenges and we specialize in optimizing NetSuite, one of the most powerful enterprise resource planning or ERP solutions available today. NetSuite provides businesses with a fully integrated solution, designated to streamline financial operations. While NetSuite offers numerous modules, our expertise at Fusion CPA lies specifically in leveraging its advanced accounting capabilities. Through seamless integration with countless suite apps, we automate routine tasks, greatly improving your financial efficiency. Our certified NetSuite controllers bring extensive expertise in financial management, multi-entity accounting, and process automation. By staying at the forefront of NetSuite's latest advancements, we deliver customized best-in-class solutions tailored precisely to your business needs. One of NetSuite's significant advantages is its real-time financial data updates. For example, when a retail client of ours faced frequent discrepancies in inventory accounting due to manual entry errors, implementing NetSuite's automated inventory updates resulted in improved accuracy and significant cost savings. Similarly, customer transactions flow directly into accounting, making invoicing effortless and accurate. NetSuite isn't just for accountants. Employees across your organization can easily track time and submit expenses through a convenient self-service portal. Recently, we helped a marketing agency drastically reduce their expense reimbursement cycle from weeks to mere days. This was thanks to NetSuite's intuitive employee portal. We frequently encounter businesses struggling with managing multiple entities separately through QuickBooks, leading to inefficiency and confusion. One manufacturing client struggled with intercompany transactions, which often delayed month-end closings. After transitioning to NetSuite, they reduced their monthly closing process by 40% due to consolidated systems simplifying these transactions. NetSuite's powerful yet intuitive report writer pulls critical data from diverse sources, providing clear and actionable insights. A recent healthcare client leveraged these customized reports to rapidly identify unprofitable service lines and adjust strategies, directly improving their bottom line. At Fusion CPA, we don't just implement NetSuite, we optimize it specifically to meet your business' unique needs, driving efficiency, accuracy, and growth. If you're seeking expert NetSuite support, we're here to help. Schedule your complimentary accounting diagnostic today and discover how Fusion CPA can transform your accounting operations.